Welcome everybody. So this is what we will go through today. We'll talk about a couple of things using vellum to create this balloon effect, balloon configure, and we apply it to the body of the car and the glass also, then applying V-Ray material and rendering it with V-Ray. So as you can see here, it's just fun with vellum. You see in this world, yeah, see how it's sloppy, and this the area where it will play with the wrist length, and where we are connecting it and attaching it to the geometry. See, it like about to burst, but we didn't make it burst. Nice wheel. In the last one here, we'll see how we are transferring the attribute of the wrist length across the body. We'll just see it in a second here. Yeah, here. So it starts from the back to the front and disappear. Take another view, starting from the back to the front and resting back to its initial pose. Yes, so just for fun and learning purpose. So last one. Okay, so let's go to the scene. Should be this one here. These are my cameras and my V-Ray dome light. Grid is just Ctrl G, something to render against, better than a black screen. And this is the Mitsubishi. I have a couple of cars. Let's start with the first car. So this is the car, Mitsubishi. We put it on the floor, we transform it properly so it's roughly accurate size. I remove any unnecessary attribute, just leave a couple of the groups. So in the group I choose here only the exterior body, and then I added the glass to it. Okay, so in the split I go, this is the remaining part, and as you can see the interior door wall I kept it inactive because I don't want a car door balloon, for instance, to go inside. I wanted to go outside, so I collide against this one. Then I split the glasses and I merge them again. So this is what will be run through the simulation. Extra geometry, and I made the group instead of Mitsubishi PM or MPW, new car model. Then to make the attachment I went and created a group, primitive, or you can choose edge or point. Enable the edge, and I'm choosing unshared edge. So as you can see, all the open edges are being selected and added to the group. This is where the connection or the glue will be. Then I go to the vellum cloth. This is for the PM because I have two cars, and I played with the stiffness and the stretching and the vellum pressure. I'm exporting this stretch, but I export this stretch. I will show you because inside the vellum solver I animated it across the line of the timeline. Glue, as you can see, is attaching the parts of the cloth, so it will not just burst open, and I'm building it. The second car, same setup, match size, make it smaller, and attribute, removing, splitting, Ctrl G. So this is the body also, call it Mercedes. I didn't divide, it was okay. And these are the edge, and I run it through the same setting. Now this box will run across the car, so I'm transforming it. Let's give it a second. Just running through, and I added a color to it, an attribute. This is 3 will be the wrist length, and I'm copying it here also, but I make it as 1 so it won't collapse when it runs, as you can see. And I'm transferring the attribute of the test and the color. Okay, so this is the out. This was my experimenting, trying to send the wrist length from one geometry to the other, but finally I end up using this. So in the vellum solver, sorry, this is the vellum, 2 substep and 20 iteration inside. Yeah, this one vellum property. So this one is for the car, the Mitsubishi, and this one for the Mercedes. What I did, the wrist length, if I enable it, edge, see, it's expanding, then going back to 1. So the whole body will expand. In this one, same thing but different timing. Okay. So let's do this one first, the car, the Mercedes. So let me choose this one here, and the Mercedes is this one. So I will cut this, and let's run and see. Just for the sake of simplicity, let's make it smaller. Because my computer is crazy now, I'll just modify this one. I don't want it to wait. Let's cancel. So this one delete, and make it go very quick. So I want this one to be like this, so it runs very quick, like this. Let's watch. Now, as you can see, I'm going to stop it. Okay, so it's inflating. ولا ايش؟
Hello.
So
My name is Umar.
يلا شاطر. Good. So to make the other setting, that this one inflation start from the back to the front, I use it as subsolver. And in the subsolver I imported the box that was moving, and I'm attribute copying the test. Why did I copy the test? And attribute triangle, I use this one. The wrist length is equal to the wrist length multiplied by the test value, so it will increase and decrease. Yes, and this is the tutorial that helped me out, because I was trying to figure out how to use it. So thanks to WhatsApp, and this is the tutorial how to play with the wrist length attribute inside. So I followed the same setup, which was straightforward, better than the headache that I was going through with all the nodes and stuff, as you can see somewhere here. Okay, and also here. So we have the output. This is the car, fixing the normal, post-process and welding, and I'm merging it with the rest of the car. Let's choose one of the cameras. Okay, we'll go with this one. And this is the material. Let's fire V-Ray. V-Ray IBR. I think the way I choose the color was wrong. Let me fix it. So here, this is the body. Let's go with the 3D connectivity. Just choosing the area that I want it to be blue. This one also. Okay, enter. And this one is the silver. Let's add to it some more silver. 3D connectivity. Let's add this, make it silver. Why not? I'm gonna choose this one. This one. This one. This one. Okay. And this one, mixing up the glasses. Okay, this is the tire. Okay, let's see how it will look now. Another IBR. Let's fix now. This is which camera? Camera 4. Camera 4. Let's fix it. Very nice bulge. This is the airbag, but in the wrong place. IBR is very nice, very good, very responsive even with my slow machine. So that's the whole setup. Thank you for your continuous support and comment and ideas and sharing and help. I appreciate it. Have a nice day. Thank you very, very much.